Our office day is our precaution than our physical examination. Courtesy. What the? Courtesy of the office. It's our physical examination.
Daming birthday ah.
Oh! Kinukunan ko din. Iba-ibang kulay. Tignan mo, iba-ibang kulay talaga, no?
Ipapadala ko kay Jenny.
Kay?
Jenny.
Kailan kayo?
Wala.
Wala daw talaga.
Buti pa kayo, Pete. Sasarap ko.
may magandang nasagip. Yan siya. It's Tuesday, August 27. Our physical examination day. Courtesy yan ng office. Ayan, rentgen, x-ray. Bye for now. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay Wife Life in Japan.